What if I told you that you don't need to prepare for 1,000 different topics to pass your IELTS exam? After analyzing recent exams, I have found that the same five themes appears in almost 70% of the test. If you master the vocabulary for these five, you have already won half the battle. So, save this video because you are going to need these topics. Now, let's talk about topic 1, the environment. From global warming to plastic pollution, the environment is a favorite for writing task 2 and speaking part 3. And here are the key vocab you need to remember from these topics. First one is sustainability. Second one is carbon footprint. Third one is renewable energy. Don't just say pollution. Talk about environmental degradation as well. Now, let's talk about topic 2, which is technology and AI. Is AI good for students? Does social media makes us lonely? This is the almost guaranteed topic to show up in your IELTS exam. Am I right? Let's learn about the key vocab you must not forget about. Number 1, automation. Number 2, digital footprint. Number 3, technical breakthrough. And also be ready to discuss both the pros and the cons. Okay, let's have a look at topic 3, which is education and work. This topic usually covers traditional versus online learning or the importance of vocational training. And let's know about the key vocab you must remember. Number 1, curriculum. Number 2, literacy. Number 3, job perspective. And number 4, hands-on experience. They want to know if you think university's degrees are still worth it or not. Last but not the least, topic 4 and 5, which is health and tourism. In health, you should know the vocabs such as obesity, fast food, mental health, and for tourism, culture, traditional travel, globalization. Another one thing, for tourism, learn the word over tourism. It's a high band word that examiners love right now. At the end, which of these 5 topics do you find the hardest to talk about? Comment the topic below and I will make a dedicated video with a band-aid sample answer just for that topic. This is Learn with Isha, helping you study smarter, not harder.